Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about MD hairs. You should try their product or not, and what are the major problems of their product and how much time it will take to give you results. So in this video we will cover lots of information. Does it really worth it or a waste? So you can say like waste of money. Okay, so in this video I'm going to cover lots of information, so let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about this brand, MD hairs is approx 4 years from now. Okay, and they are selling different kinds of product, and you can see like you know very well they are selling different kinds of kits, regrowth kit, and you can say like shower. So there are so many, you can say like product available on their website. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you like if you are going to use their product, so first of all you can see over here, this is a note on their website, like if you are going to use their product you have to wait approx 3 to 4 months. Okay, if you are going to use their product for improvement in your thicker lines or healthier hair, then it will give you results after 3 to 4 months. If you are thinking like it will give you results overnight, so it's not for you. Okay, and if you talk about if you're thinking like using their product for only 1 month or 2 months, so it's also impossible you will get results. Okay, so you have to wait for 3 to 4 months, or you can say you have to invest money for 3 to 4 months. Okay, and if we talk about like other factors, so each and everything is looking good. This brand is a really legit brand and there is no problem. And when we checking their reviews on Trustpilot, because they are also available on Trustpilot, and you can see like they have good positive reviews, but 14% is negative reviews, and some of their reviews, negative reviews, we can say they are not receiving product. I really don't know what is the reason behind this thing. And you can also see like an hour ago is also a new review, and they are also complaining like they have not received any kind of product. And you guys are like, I have not received my product, I have not received my product, and some of them are complaining like the product is not working. So the reason behind product will not work, maybe you can say like as you know, there are lots of factors. You can say like if you have any kind of issue related to genetics, if you have any kind of issue related to, you can say like hormonal balance, hormonal issue, or you can say like if you have any kind of stress issue. So as you know, you can say like condition is also depend person to person, and result is also depend person to person. Maybe your genetic problem, maybe your stress level, maybe your hormones problem, maybe your diet problem. So each and everything is decided results, so we cannot say 100% you will get results. But in most of the cases, if you are going to use their product for at least 3 to 4 months, definitely you will get results, or definitely you will see results. Okay, but without using product we can't say anything. If you have any experience with this product, with this brand, please share your thoughts in our comment box. But if we can say definitely like this is a 100% legit brand, and you can try their product if you have so much money. Okay, because you have to use their product for at least 3 to 4 months, so in this period you need to invest lots of money. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends. Please you can like you can make a comment if you have any experience. Okay, so my dear friend, this is a review, or you can select this is information, and that's it. Okay, hopefully you will get all your points, and please mention your comment. And thanks for watching this video, my dear friend. Bye bye.